When it comes to soups, Ofe Nsala or white soup is one of my favorites. I can go on and on with it without getting bored or tired. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to make Ofe Nsala or white soup that will make you lick or bite your fingers. Now let's begin. One of the protein we'll be using is chicken. This is whole chicken. Now go ahead and cut into desired sizes and wash it thoroughly with some salt. Please note, you can use any protein of your choice. Now that we're done washing, transfer into a pot. Go in with your stockfish. I mean your washed stockfish, okay? Now season with some salt, some seasoning. This is half teaspoon of seasoning. Next is blended pepper. We used 1 Scotch bonnet. Blend it, pour it in, cover it up, and allow to cook until it releases its juice, okay? Checking back after cooking for 2 minutes, adjust it or stir it and introduce water, okay? The water you add now will determine the quantity of your soup, so take note. Alright, introduce this native spice. It is called Uda. I don't know what it's called in English, okay? Here is Eden fruit. Introduce it as well. The earlier, the better, okay? So that those flavors can penetrate into the soup. All right, slice up some yam and pour it in. This will serve as our thickener. Just continue watching, all right? Now adjust it, cover it up and allow to cook until the yam is properly cooked. Checking back, and at this point, the yam is properly cooked, very soft and tender. Now go ahead and scoop it out. In case you don't want to use yam, there are other thickener. Yes, you can use cornstarch or for achi. There are a lot, okay? But I advise you use yam. Alright guys, moving on to the next stage. It is time to pound it. You can as well blend it, whichever one you prefer. Now we're done pounding, this is the look, okay? Pound until it is smooth, no lumps, please. Now go ahead and scoop it in, just like so. You may want to make more than this. Make sure you have enough thickener, okay? In fact, not just thickener alone. You have to increase all the ingredients. This is grilled croaker fish, another protein, and we'll be using dry catfish that has been washed already. Please note, you can use any protein of your choice and the one you can afford. Next ingredient to go in is blended uziza seed. Please tell me what it is called in English under the comment section, okay? Next is half teaspoon of seasoning. This is called ogiri, made from fermented castor or melon seed. Use it as desired. Next is blended crayfish. Pour that in and the remaining one will come later. Now go in with extra peppers. This is crushed chili. We want it spicy, okay? But you are free to decrease or increase your peppers or even skip it if you do not want your meal spicy. Now give it a gentle stir, cover it up and allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops and snacks, and even more. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family. Also, remember to turn your notification bell on so you don't miss out on any of my upload. All right? Thank you. Okay, guys, let's continue. At this point, you have to test it to see if it needs any adjustment. Okay? Now go in with the remaining crayfish, add some salt, yes, and give it a nice stir. Please, after watching this video and it's still not clear to you, feel free to drop your question under the comment section. I promise to respond ASAP, alright? Now, go in with dry otaze leaves. I can't find the fresh one. If you're using the fresh one, make sure to wash it a bit, yes, to reduce the bitterness before using. Alright guys, let's cover it up and allow to cook for just 1 minute. Let me use this medium to appreciate all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for your massive love and support. I really appreciate it. Checking back after cooking for extra 1 minute, at this point, our delicious, mouth-watering, finger-licking Nsala soup is set. Please give it a go and help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out, okay? Now, this is the best part for me. It is dish up time. Yes, Dish it out with me, guys. And our food is served. Come and join me. We've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, go ahead and like it, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one.